Hey guys, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I hope you people are doing great. So today in this tutorial, we are going to discuss the syllabus of Class 8 Science NCERT. In all the schools, the session has been started already, but in many of the schools, it's going to start. So let's discuss the syllabus once so that we can further go on with each and every chapter's explanation part. So I request you all, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to it so that you will be connected with me and you will get the explanation, solution, notes of each and every chapter from Class 8 Science NCERT textbooks. So let's discuss the syllabus once. Okay, so altogether 18 chapters we have in your NCERT textbook. The first chapter is crop production and management. In this chapter, we are going to read about the crops, how it is produced, what are the techniques which are used to produce crops, and how it is stored, etc., and how it is reached to the local people so that they can use that crops. Next is microorganisms friend on crop. So you know that there are different types of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. Many of the microorganisms are useful to us, but many of the microorganisms are harmful to us. In the second chapter, we are going to read about the microorganism. In third chapter, we are going to read about the synthetic fibers and plastics. You already know about the synthetic fibers as well as plastic like nylon, then Teflon, etc., and plastics. About plastics, you all know that how harmful they are. So in this, we are going to read about their manufacturing process and what are the uses, what are the environmental impacts which they give on our environment. Next chapter is materials. In fourth lesson, we are going to read about metals and non-metals. In fifth lesson, we are going to read about coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are the fossil fuels which are getting depleted these days, and in this chapter we are going to read about coal and petroleum. Sixth lesson is combustion and flame. In sixth lesson, we are going to read about combustion process and about the different types of flames. Seventh lesson, these chapters are from your biology part. Conservation of plants and animals. Next is cell, structure and function, reproduction in animals. These all chapters are important because these chapters again you are going to read in your 9th and 10th standard. Reproduction is also there. Then cell chapter is there in 9th standard. Conservation of plants and animals is that chapter is easy. We can carry on with the chapter. Reaching the age of adolescence. Miss your age, you people are going to reach the age of adolescence, so we are going to read about adolescence in that lesson. After that, these chapters are from physics section, these are from biology, these are from physics section, and these chapters are from chemistry. Basically few chapters are there which are from chemistry, these chapters are from your biology part, and these chapters are from physics. In physics, we are going to read about force and pressure, friction, sound. These all chapters again you are going to read in 9th standard. Chemical effects of electric current, some natural phenomena. Light chapter is there in 10th standard. Stars and solar system, and pollution of air and water. So altogether 18 lessons we have. One by one I will be carrying out the explanation of each and every chapter. So please connect with me so that you can get the benefit from all the chapters. So, and once again, in short, I want to tell you that what are the topics which we are going to cover in each and every lessons tutorial. First of all, I will discuss all the topics from the NCERT book in detail so that explanation will be clear to you, so that if any questions will be coming in the exam, you can with any you don't have any doubt while writing the answers of any question. You can write from anywhere. I will provide you the extensive notes from each and every chapter, and that notes will be given in the form of points, also in the form of small notes like definitions also I will provide you over there. Next, after that, after finishing the lesson, what we will do, we will solve all the questions from your NCERT textbook. Whatever questions are given in the exercise textbook, we are going to solve all the questions, so that answers also you will get, and along with the answer you will get the explanation also. After that, we will do some MCQ questions also from the lessons. And after finishing each and every lesson, and when your exams will reach, that time we will do one short revision from each and every lesson. Means in 30 minutes or in one tutorial only I will cover the full chapter, so that you will get a brief revision from each and every lesson. And since it is science subject, so without diagrams we can't do science, right? So we are going to discuss some important diagrams also from each and every lesson. So these are the things which we are going to covering each and every lesson. So my next tutorial will be from your first chapter, that is crop production and management. So next video, for the next video you have to wait, and you can look at that video and you can enjoy the video for crop production and management. That chapter is little lengthy, so we will be doing in 1, 2, 3 parts that lesson, so that you can understand each and every lesson. You'll get the notes also, and after finishing the explanation part, we are going to discuss the NCERT solution. So that's all for today. We have discussed, we had a look on the chapters which we have to cover in your class 8 syllabus. So thank you for watching. If this tutorial is helpful for you, then please click on the like button, share it with your friends also, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so that whenever I will be uploading a new video, you'll get the notification for that. And don't forget to look at the video for crop production and management. Thank you.